Okay, this video is for John or anybody else. This is the hammer I'm talking about. It is a Craftsman, pretty old school. Okay, 16 ouncer. There's a split right here. And to me, it doesn't look like it was hit. That looks like the grain split. They put the grain left to right instead of front to back. So if you look around, it's really not hit. The head is tight. The handle is leather wrapped. Face is good. Everything is good on this hammer. This hammer is so comfortable when I'm doing basic projects. I've been using this thing for a long time. But it's been split as long as I know. So do I just inject glue in there and clamp it? I mean, obviously, this thing can be brought to a really nice level. This does have some wear on it, but that's not the purpose. This isn't going to be a hammer to hang. This is going to be a hammer to continue to use. Reinforcing ribs, strengthened claws. Oh yeah, look at the two little ribs. Oh, look at that. Another little nail puller. So that's definitely the old emblem. So, like I said, I was thinking about just getting wood glue, slightly diluting it, injecting it in there fully, and putting a clamp on there and wiping the excess and let it dry. I do not notice it when I use it, but I'm pretty sure it's going to continue up as time goes on. So, like I said, I appreciate your opinion and any help you're about to give me.